Good morning. This is Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Thursday, October the 10th. Mixed trade here overnight. Wheat, again, the upside leader here, currently 3 to 6 better. Corn seems like it's being dragged along. That is currently steady to a penny better. And we got the soybean complex is just slightly lower right now. Beans down 2 to 3. Meal's about steady to about $1 lower, while bean oil prices are about 5 to 10 points lower. Wheat continues to find support from increased tensions in the Black Sea region. Yesterday, a Russian missile killed 6 people while injuring 8 others after it struck a Ukraine's port infrastructure in the Odessa region. Attacks on port infrastructure and actual vessels carrying agricultural products has been on the rise here in recent weeks. Also, media reports have stated that Russia's ag ministry and major exporters will be meeting tomorrow to discuss their grain export quota system. Just last week, Russian exporters complained that they may be shipping out too much grain at too low of a price. So eyes will be on that proposed meeting tomorrow. The Rosario Grain Exchange, they lowered their Argentine wheat production forecast 1 million metric tons to 19.5 million metric tons. That's still, however, just above the USDA estimate at 18. Yesterday's EIA report showed ethanol production rebounded to 1,038,000 barrels per day. That was up 3.4% from a year ago and slightly above expectations. However, still just slightly below the pace we need to be at to hit the USDA corn usage forecast. Export sales later today, and USDA production and WASI reports tomorrow. I look for a little bit of a lower corn number. I'm at 15.145 billion with an average yield of 183.5, still a record yield. I've got carryout stocks at 1.940 billion bushels. That's down 117. Both production and ending stocks figures just slightly below the average trade estimates. My bean production forecast 4.610 billion. That's 24 million above the USDA's estimate last month. We've got yield at 53.5, so both production and yield a new record high. The average guess is looking for about a 5 million bushel cut to production, so we are above estimates there. And we've got carryout up 10 million bushels to 560 million. Our carryout number for wheat drops just below 800 million bushels due to higher exports, and we are near the low end of the range of estimates here. Hurricane Milton did rip across Florida overnight, leaving a path of destruction across the central part of the state. Now search and recovery teams will be moving in swiftly to assess the damage. Drier and warmer than normal conditions across the nation's midsection should allow harvest to move along at a rather quick pace here in the next week to 10 days. Most of the dry areas in South America are expected to see improved prospects for rain here over at least by early next week. Southern Brazil continues to be, southern Argentina continues to be an area of concern as they continue to have been missing out on most of these rain events as stress on crops there begins to grow. D's corn is hovering just below its 100-day moving average at 424.5. Nove beans now are seem to be building support at its 50-day moving average. That is down at 10.5, but upside seems to be limited with right in the teeth of harvest here. D's oil is consolidating near its 100-day moving average, which is near 43 cents a pound. We did see Brazil sign a law here yesterday improving the amount of bean oil to be blended into its biodiesel here, gradually going up 1% per year, stretching out for the next 4 to 5 years, which should add about a million metric tons of usage when it's all said and done. Both KC and Chicago December wheat contracts do have resistance just above the market here at last week's high. So thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you have a great day.